I looked out my bathroom window and I noticed that some of the peat moss was dry. That means that my circles of sprinkler, the radiuses, are not overlapping one another. So I'm gonna go fix it. Got my little screwdriver and then some different nozzles just in case they need changed. Let's go do that. It's not hard, but it just takes time. First I have to turn them on. I can see which ones can reach the dry areas. This is just a 1, so I'm going to put a 2 in. I only ran it for a couple minutes, but you can see that this dry area now has some water on it. One of them I didn't even have it rotating 360 degrees, so that solved one problem. There's 2 different types of heads, so I'm going to show you how to change the other head. This was a 1, and I'm going to change it to a 3 with the rain curtain. These have so much pressure built up in them, it is so hard to hold them up. And this just tells you which